And other than a small portion of the border with Erie County being yellow, there are not any microcluster restrictions up in Niagara County. But don't automatically assume that it's an escape from restrictions in Erie County, as we hear from 2 on Your Side's Ron Plants.
Dining in restaurants, going to a hair salon or barber, and of course a workout at the gym are all still things you can do in just about all of Niagara County except for the city of North Tonawanda in the yellow. So are some folks in mostly orange Erie County looking to Lockport or Lewiston, or focusing on the falls, or just ready to head elsewhere? Well, it's kind of expected. It's also expected they'll strictly follow the COVID rules for masking and other safety precautions.
If in fact folks have the desire to come to Niagara Falls for whatever particular reason it may be, we just know that we're going to be anticipating they're going to comply with the public health requirements.
We might see bigger crowds in our restaurants and those other areas this weekend. We also know that our businesses here in Niagara County have been working very hard to follow the capacity guidelines and all of the safety protocols. So even though we might see bigger crowds, what that could mean is longer wait times to get a table. And we're asking, of course, those businesses to keep following those capacity guidelines that are in place for everyone's safety.
We have fined a number of restaurants for not following the rules about masks. And of course, we work hand in hand with our law enforcement, with our sheriff's office. We work hand in hand with code enforcement officers for people exceeding the capacity that's allowed.
On another Niagara note, again, with North Tonawanda being in that yellow zone designation, there's some help for schools with a difficult duty.
We are not doing the testing for schools. We don't have the capacity to do that, but we are helping them with testing kits that they need in order to be able to follow the 20% testing guidelines. So we're working with the superintendent from North Tonawanda, but we continue to work with all the superintendents throughout Niagara County.
Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.